soft, alive, responsive. I'm really drawn to natural materials in general. Once I step away, the material takes on its own performance. It continues to breathe. There are really particular qualities that each material has, whether it's something that's arrived through a process of growth like wood, or has been transformed by the weather and the landscape such as clay. And I think all of those circumstances kind of give the materials their unique properties. There's this immediate response between your body and the material. It's really shaped by every movement that you make. It's something very fluid. The human body and also the clay body, and this kind of deep connection between the two. It becomes almost hard to decipher where one stops and the other begins.